Good evening students. Today we are going to find out the relationship in between the conductivity and the molar conductivity. Okay. In the previous video we studied about the conductivity that is denoted by the kappa. Okay. And by a simple definition we can know about the kappa. This may be defined as the conductance of the unit volume of electrolyte. Means if the unit volume of the electrolyte is kept in between the two electrodes which are at unit distance apart from each other, this is unit distance. Okay, and we fill it with an electrolyte having unit volume. So whatever the conductance of this one, that will be the conductance is conductivity. Okay. Now by the definition, the molar conductivity. Okay. By simple definition we can find the definition. The molar conductivity of a conductivity cell is the molar conductance is the conductance of that amount of the electrolyte which contains 1 mole of the electrolyte, and this volume of the electrolyte which contains 1 mole of the electrolyte is to be kept in between the two electrodes of infinite height, but they must be apart from each other by unit distance. Okay. Here the amount of the volume is not fixed. Here the condition is that whatever the volume is taken in between these two electrodes, it must contain the 1 mole of the electrolyte. Okay. This 1 mole of electrolyte may be contained by 1 liter, by 2 liter, etc. Okay. And here in case of the conductivity, here the condition that the volume must be unit volume. Okay. This unit volume may contain 1 mole solid, it may contain more than 1 mole of the electrolyte, etc. Okay. That's why when the solution is diluted, in case of dilution, always the number of ions present in per unit volume decreases. That's why the value of the conductivity decreases. But it is not for the molar conductivity, because molar conductivity is not related with the volume. It is related with the 1 mole of the electrolyte. It may be less or more, but the amount of the electrolyte must be 1 mole. Now I am going to correlate these two. This molar conductivity is denoted by the lambda m, and this is equal to kappa, which is known as conductivity, multiplied by volume. Now we should understand what is this B and what is this K. K, this is kappa, conductivity, or you can say conductance of the unit volume of the electrolyte, and this V is the volume of that electrolyte which contains 1 mole of the electrolyte. That's why the product of this kappa and the volume which contains the 1 mole of the electrolyte gives the value of the molar conductivity. Okay. Now we also know that the volume is the inverse of the concentration. So this may be written as kappa upon C. V may be written as 1 upon C. And in general, the C is given in moles per liter, and this kappa is given in S centimeter inverse. Okay. So the formula to solve the numericals becomes like this, which is equal to 1000 K, 1000 K upon C, and its unit will be S centimeter square mole inverse. Okay. So with the student, with the help of this formula, you can solve the questions related with the molar conductivity and the conductivity. Okay, thank you.